In this demo, you will discover how FortiSIEM strengthens your defense against insider threats. We'll begin by exploring its powerful risk view. As an example, we'll select the user Joe Burns. This intelligent feature categorizes both hosts and users, like Joe, by their associated risk, all derived from the triggered incidents. For each entity, the risk view provides a clear snapshot, including their device or user identification, real-time risk value, and whether it's trending up or down, risk trajectory over the past 24 hours, and number of incidents within the last 24 hours. FortiSIEM continuously calculates and updates the risk scores by factoring in the criticality of user and devices, the severity of incidents, and how frequently those incidents occur. Next, we'll move to the Explorer view, which is designed for correlating across multiple incidents. Again, we'll focus on Joe Burns. Here, we have uncovered a successful VPN login originating from outside our country. A significant red flag from an insider risk perspective because it tracks location. By selecting this specific incident, you will see an updated risk score. The Investigation tab then provides detailed event information showing exactly where the user Joe Burns logged in from. Navigating to Resources tab, we can select VPN login country, which captured Joe Burns' activity. The FortiSIEM lookup table accurately links user to the country of origin by utilizing information gathered from various reports. Next, let's look at the UEBA tab, which offers tremendous visibility into your user and endpoint activity. It achieves this by tracking 5 key behavior metrics: user, device, process, application, resource, and activity. To illustrate, we will select Joe user to view incidents corresponding to his activity. This allows you to track specific actions like files written, process stopped, or new process created. Moving on, we will access UEBA by going to Resources, Rules, Security. FortiSIEM's UEBA capabilities are driven by two types of rules, UEBA AI and UEBA policy based, both instrumental in tracking user and endpoint behavior. For this example, we are choosing a UEBA AI rule. This rule utilizes a machine learning model to effectively identifying high confidence instances where a user prints files in an unusual manner. Furthermore, you gain the control to customize these AI models to suit your operational needs. UIBA tags play a crucial role in refining anomaly detection. By providing additional context through a tagging system, they allow for more precise alerts. Since these tags are severity based, they directly influence and adjust the confidence level of identifying anomalies. On the FortiSIEM dashboard, you can gain immediate visual insight into user and entity behavior. UEBA AI events are the granular activities like file access, application usage, or network connections that FortiSIEM's machine learning models continuously analyze and learn from. The dashboard aggregates these events, letting you see trends. Crucially, when the AI detects anomalous patterns in these behaviors, it generates UEBA AI alerts. These high-fidelity alerts are prominently displayed, often with severity levels and context. This allows security teams to quickly identify and prioritize potential insider threats or compromised accounts, seeing at a glance who, what, and where unusual activity is occurring. Next, we'll go back to Risk View to show the machine learning incidents through anomaly detection using bipartite graph edge algorithm, which helps to prepare the dataset, train, and schedule the job to alert these high confidence alerts. In this incident, identified the user Joe Burns login to EC2 instance considered anomaly. Going to Actions and then click Investigate and click Events, which shows the anomaly detection in a large dataset with a high accuracy of identifying high fidelity anomaly detection. This is how FortiSIEM helps manage risk by leveraging its risk score, detecting sudden location changes, utilizing lookup tables, employing its UEBA engine, and performing machine learning based anomaly detection. Thanks for watching.